to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Jay.
And I am Trent.
If you are not new here, welcome back. I am currently in the middle of a laugh. I'm sorry.
I'll just take it from here for me because
okay. Okay. If you are not new here, welcome back. Today on the menu we're having some curry chicken with white rice and some vegetables and some tomatoes. We're gonna say grace. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restored my soul. Amen. Okay, guys. Yeah. I do apologize for the rocky start.
Why did we have a rocket start, love?
No, because technically I was complaining about something, and yeah, that was it. So yeah, today on the menu we're having curry chicken. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, had a wonderful week, and enjoying the Easter holiday.
Well, you all right? This is really good, this food. It's good, I'm not lying. Well, it's cold hot. I'm gonna enjoy myself.
It is good.
Dry your eyes, baby.
I am. Okay.
Come on.
The bed is just a little bit hot.
Guys, baby's been out of shape because we had to take a thumbnail. And I keep telling her to redo the thumbnail. And she's like, oh, the food is gonna get hot. Cold. And you know I hate when my food is cold.
I did it exactly like that too.
She goes, you know I hate it when my food is cold. Blah 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 blah. And then in the middle of saying that to me, oh, this is what Babe did. She didn't choose to stop in her track and don't press record. This is what Babe did, guys. In the middle of saying that to me, Babe pressed record while she was saying it to me. That's how pissed she was.
I'm sorry, I'm trying to get myself together here. It was rather funny though because I did it exactly like that. As I said, I was complaining before we started.
Now guys, when you've been with somebody this long, you choose your battles. I ain't saying shit. I just started eating because if I had said nothing at all, she don't blame me.
I know because you knew he was
take
wrong from the
the
get-go.
thumbnail.
Okay. You
Guys,
knew he was wrong from the get-go, but I'm not saying nothing.
I ain't saying shit. Happy wife, happy life. I just started eating. Once my mother's full, I can't say nothing. You gotta laugh at that, didn't you?
Yeah, it was pretty good. I'm not even gonna lie, it was really good.
Mm-hmm. No, you are something else.
No, you something else.
When I put it down, there was so much steam coming from it.
Because it was hot, but then...
You have to be honest, so it's still good.
Yeah, it is. The guys on that, it's still pretty good. There's a little bit of spice in there. Not a lot, but a little
just
bit.
enough.
Yeah.
They put just enough spice. Babe almost ruined the whole video.
No, I didn't ruin it.
No, you almost ruined the whole video, Jay.
No. Because I have to voice it before we come on, you see, because then the energy is going to be off.
You didn't voice it. You just press record. And so I said, I said, once I start eating, this ain't stopping. Which I just start eating down my whole side.
But it is still good though.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I like it.
Yeah, me too.
Look, baby,
Yeah.
I have a question for you.
Okay.
After I take a bite of this good ass meal.
Me too.
Mm.
I don't talk to meat. Did you taste the meat?
I've been eating today. When you was laid back in the couch, I was killing it. I was trying to get over your end.
We should have put a partition in the middle.
Get out of here, Jay. Now, baby,
Okay.
question for you is,
Yeah.
when I started growing, how did you accommodate my growth, not to compromise your growth?
First of all, I don't know how much you've grown because then we was just talking about this food and I don't think you really care too much about the fact that I don't. I'm just gonna put that out there first before I even answer the question. But to answer your question, how did I accept yours without compromising
Because
mine?
you was been growing.
Yeah. But I think it's a case of loving you for who you are and respecting you as a person. I'm hoping that you would do the same for me, either way. Because I know we're not always gonna be on the same page at the same time. You know, certain things like that. So it's just about respect, I think, at the end of the day. How would you say? Because just as much as you're growing, I'm growing just the same. So how do you not compromise yours in the midst of me growing?
And stunt my growth?
Yeah.
It was easy for me to do. For one, I love you. So, whatever growth was going on, it was easy for me to accept it and move with it, be a part of it. And I wanted to be a part of it growth because it was beautiful to me.
Yeah, but you know that some growth kind of sometimes goes against certain things that you believe in and certain things that, you know, you was taught in the first place. So specifically when it comes to those kind of growths, now how you maneuver going around that.
That have nothing to do with me.
Okay.
It have shit to do with me. That's your growth.
Uh-huh.
I want to become a part of it. I don't want to fully make it my growth. That's when I stand behind you. Does it have nothing to do with me? Applaud you and still say it have nothing to do with me because it's not my growth. And keep it moving.
It's fair, it's fair.
It's like find a common ground.
I don't know. I don't think people always think that there is a common ground. That's the thing.
There isn't or there is?
People don't think that there is a common ground most of the time.
There is always a common ground. Always.
No, you know, because most people want things
Their
their way.
Mhm. That's called selfish. People that always want things their way only, let's be honest about it, it's called selfish. You cannot be in a relationship and only want things your way. Might as well be single.
Fair.
You know, sometimes you want things your way.
I think sometimes, but
Do you always get it your way?
No.
No. Right. What do you do when you don't get it your way?
I accept it.
And compromise.
Yeah.
Right?
Because it's just life. But not everybody has that capability of accepting things not going their way.
Well, if you're not one of those person, you have a lot of disappointment. There's a lot of disappointment. food was all the way live.
Mm.
All the way live. Yo, when Jody cooked, it's like going to a restaurant that you know you that you know you have no business going. Like you just went to the doctor and the doctor said to you, listen, you have to stay away from everything good. Because this is good food.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
The doctor tell you when you live here, don't go to no restaurant and go home and cook for yourself. And as soon as you leave the doctor, this is the restaurant you're going to.
Mm-hmm.
Not saying that Jody have a restaurant or anything, but this is the restaurant that you're going to. You like that one?
Yeah.
Alright, I redeemed myself?
Yeah, that sounds, yeah. I was questioning it when we first started because I'm like, oh Lord. But then, you know, you took a turn for the better. And I'm like, all right, cool. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
I like you.
Okay, cool.
I like when you're happy.
Thank you. But on a serious note, guys, this food is, it's really good.
So do you think growth is inevitable?
Yeah.
Why?
Because that's life. If you're not growing, you're not living.
And that means if you're not growing, that means in 2022 you ain't learn shit.
That part too. That is so true. I mean, growth is just acceptance of you, acceptance of the people who are around you, and acceptance of life and what it is giving you at this current moment, at this current time. That's pretty much it.
And it makes you better. And the people around you get the best of you.
Mm-hmm. Very much so. We realize how happy people start being when you start. You know what? Let me not say that. I apologize. Not everybody's gonna be happy that you actually start growing. So I'm just gonna scrap that part.
Because growth makes you smart.
Yeah.
Ain't
So
nobody want you smart.
Yeah. I'm gonna scrap that part.
Growth make you stop put up with all the nonsense.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't nobody want you to stop put up with that.
Mm-hmm. So not everybody's gonna be happy, but those who are for you will be, and that's the most important thing.
So you would give the advice of when your spouse is growing. I fill in the blank.
Yeah. No.
If your spouse is growing and you're not growing, do this.
Respect their growth and try, at least try to meet them halfway.
Alright. If your spouse is growing and you are growing, but in a different direction, do this.
Still respect your spouse and their growth that they're going and the journey that they're taking. I hope that they do respect yours just the same way.
Yep. Last one. If your spouse is growing and you're growing and you're both headed in the same direction, do this.
Say a nice prayer and say, thank you, Lord. You have blessed me greatly.
Facts.
I'm gonna tell you, you gotta be grateful for the little things, you know?
Yo, this food
No.
was electrifying.
Mm-hmm.
Baby, what's this?
Okay. So today on the menu, we are having a frozen mimosa.
Yeah, it's melted now, but it was frozen before. But look, there's still ice.
Yeah, there's a little bit of ice. We have the lime and we have the lemon.
Let the baby taste first. With it.
All right, go.
I'm gonna see if it's stronger than last time. Oh. Oh. First, I'm gonna do this lemon.
It's
This
stronger.
one. No, because no, it's good. But I'm gonna put this because I didn't try this one. This lime
Okay.
and see. Drop it. It's like, shut up. I'm bent over. Oh,
Good.
yeah.
Good. I'm gonna taste mine.
Did you guys happen to try the mimosa after a meal? I hope you guys did.
It's definitely very, very refreshing.
This is refreshing.
Maybe
It's
because
cool
it
and
was
nice.
frozen.
It's cool and nice. It go down
Smooth.
like ice.
Oh, it is nice. Oh. Whoa. Okay. This one was not bad. Oh, there go the ice.
You see the ice there, guys? That's all ice. I'm about to eat it.
Thank you guys for joining us for another sit down. The food was amazing. The juice was absolutely refreshing at the end. We do appreciate you guys for watching. We do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah, do have a wonderful rest of your week, a wonderful weekend, and do enjoy your holiday.
Peace.